Hello and welcome. One of the questions that lean thinkers hear the most often is, what about the eighth waste? This question may be because people have heard that there's an eighth waste and are curious about it. But more often, it's because people sense that there's something wrong with the way we're practicing lean. So what about the eighth waste? Traditionally defined in lean terms, there are 7 wastes. These are defects, motion, inventory, transportation, overproduction, processing, and waiting. However, many add an 8th waste. This so-called 8th waste usually describes the fact that people's creativity or ideas are not being harnessed to improve the work. Unused human intelligence and creativity lead to ineffective processes, a slower pace of improvement, and frustrated people. This causes more waste and reduces profitability. Lean implementation is more about changing behaviors and how people think about work than about actually changing things like procedures, factory layouts, or systems. There's a cause and effect relationship between the 7 wastes, which are human behaviors and reduced profitability. Thinking deeply about the 7 wastes and learning to see and measure them in every process is the key to taking quick, effective kaizen action. The concept of waste is common sense once it is explained to most people in a lean manufacturing context. Yet, because it is such a simple and universally acceptable idea, some people think it's too simple and needs to be improved by adding more types of waste. This results in the addition of new wastes, anywhere from 1 to 13 different types we've heard of through the years. The main reason we recommend staying with the original 7 wastes is to keep it simple. Other types of waste can almost always be included in one of the 7 types, or they are a cause of the waste rather than the waste itself. For example, complexity is sometimes included as a waste, but this is more a cause of other types of waste such as transportation or processing waste or the waste of defects that result from complexity. That said, the 8th waste is clearly in a different category than the 7 wastes from production and deserves our full attention. When we start addressing the 8th waste, we stop ignoring people as idea generators. We listen and put into practice their kaizen suggestions. We engage more of a person's potential. Instead of only physical ability or trained in job skills, we are making use of their capacity for creativity, problem solving, and so forth. In conclusion, the 8th waste, the waste of people's unused creativity, is an important factor in lean methodology that should not be overlooked. By incorporating people's ideas and suggestions, we can eliminate waste and improve our processes, leading to higher profitability, greater employee engagement, and overall better results. We hope this brief explanation has given you a better idea of what the 8th waste is and how to perceive it. We'll see you soon.